and this is your spacious living area where you can do your own interior of the kitchen. You can add up a parallel fitting platforms. Here's the bed space in the center of the room. You can add up a huge hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal, and today we'll be doing the 3 BHK plus 3T sample flight tour of Amberstone Properties newly launched project in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project, so let me show you the neighborhood of our project. So basically this will be the main entrance. The land parcel starts from here itself, and the marketing office is just behind me over here. Now I know you guys must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is coming up in total 4 acre of land parcel consisting of 2 residential tower, each rising from 2 basement ground plus 25 floors, offering you 2 BHK and 3 BHK in different variants with 80% of open space, maximum greenery in the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and Amberstone Properties is coming up with luxurious amenities in this project like of multi-purpose court, kids play area, swimming pool, gymnasium, open space to relax, clubhouse and many more. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located in Chambenahalli off Sarjapur Road in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So this will be the main entrance, and this road will lead you towards Sarjapur main road. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to Sarjapur main road in just 2.3 kilometers away. Oakridge International School is 4.1 kilometers away, and D-Mart, which is 4.8 kilometers from this project. So now let's have a look at your 3 BHK plus 3T model flat, and here's the main entrance of our house. So once you step inside, let's focus upon the dooring. So they are providing you with a digital door lock for your security purpose. And here's a huge foyer area for your privacy so that your living and dining space is not directly visible. And this foyer area will lead you towards your spacious and huge living plus dining area. So your dining area is right over there. But before that, let's focus upon your living area. And this is your spacious living area where you can do your own interior with the sofa set, the teapot and even the TV unit space. And this living area has connecting balcony as well. So right over here is the connecting balcony, which comes up with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. Now let's move further towards your dining space, and your dining area is just behind your living area. And you can have a look how spacious the dining area is over here. Perfect for ventilation and for lighting. They have even provided a window over here for ventilation and lighting as mentioned, and this window is half movable and half fixed. Now moving towards your kitchen area. So with easy access to your dining area, your kitchen is right over here. So once you step inside, let me show you the layout of the kitchen. You can add up a parallel fitting platforms or a straight fitting platform over here with a serving platform right over this side. A refrigerator space is provided and utility space which is enclosed over here, divided via tile rope to avoid the water spillage, and half wall structure. This utility space comes up with anti-skid flooring, window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and provision for your machine as well. Now moving towards your bedroom space and your bedroom number 1, which is right over here. So once you move inside your bedroom number 1, you can have a look at the spacious bedroom, which comes up with a huge bed space in the center of the room. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And there is ample of space to move around in the room as well. Even you can add up your work table, your TV unit space right over this side. And about your wardrobe and the dressing table, so your dressing area and the wardrobe can be fitted right this side. Now let's quickly explore the rest of the house. So walking through your living and dining space and crossing your entrance as well, we are now here on the other part of the house. You have to take this passage area to go towards your bedroom number 2. So your bedroom number 2 is right over here. So once you step inside, you can have a look at the spacious bedroom with a bed space over this side, and the interior speaks for itself that this is a kid's bedroom. Comes up with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. You can even add up a TV unit space or else your own space for your kids. The wardrobe can be fit right this side, the study table over here, and this kid's bedroom comes up with private washroom. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, the shower area which is divided by a tile drop. Now, once you step outside this bedroom, your common washroom is exactly over here. Comes up with anti-skid flooring again, with CP sanitary fitting, and again with tile drop to avoid the water spillage. Now about the master bedroom, which is just behind me. But before entering towards your master bedroom, let me quickly introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with actual location tour, with such sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are at housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on housey.com. Now just follow me and we'll be entering towards your master bedroom. So the uniqueness is the flooring. This is the anti-skid wooden finishing flooring in the master bedroom. Comes up with a foyer area as well, and once you enter, here's the bed space in the center of the room. You can add up a huge king size bed over the side. Now, they have provided you with a perfect private balcony. So this is the balcony. Comes up with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. Additionally, you can have a perfect quality time. Now once you step inside, let's focus over here. You can add up your TV unit space, your work table right this side. And about the wardrobe, they have given a perfect space for the wardrobe and for the dressing area. This bedroom comes up with a master toilet which is right over this side. So let's quickly move and check out your master toilet, that is your private washroom. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. And the shower area which is divided by a tile drop to avoid the water spillage. So now as you all know, we are here at Amberstone Properties project. Have we checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. If you're looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.